Fanatics, we're back. Let's try this again. I got some parts here, so I'm just going to start building. I need 6 of these. Actually, you know what, let's do it this way. So I need 5 of these where they're straight like this. Just like this. So I'm going to build 5 of these with the snots facing the same way. So you should have 6 of these together. 6, yep. And then these are going to go on top of this, like this. Okay, so I'm just going to keep building them. And then I've got some windows to build, some other things to build. You know what, I'm going to move these down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. There we go, just like that. Let's go. Like I said, I try to put them straight, so they're all straight. I'm going to put, this one is going to go right here. Okay, and then okay. So I need to keep going with these like this. Like this. Just keep putting these on here until I get 6 of them. One more. Okay, just like that. And again, I put them on the table. Make sure they're straight, and then this one is going to go here. Just keep building it, just like that. 4, 5, and number 6. Like I said, I just put them on the table to try to make them fit, and then this one's going to go here, and there should be one more that goes on the outside. Okay, so just like this. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and yes, there's one more. There's 6 more, but those are going to be done differently than these. Here, beside that, just like that. Make sure this is standing up somewhat straight. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to take these 4 big long bricks and I'm going to put 2 of them together. I'm going to put those there. Then I'm going to put this like this. Put this one right behind that one, just like that. Ooh, okay. It's gonna be a little flimsy. All right, so this one now is going to be different because this one is one of those where I'm going to build it opposite of each other. So we're going to start with these like this, and I'll have 3 facing one way and 3 facing another, and that will even out my corner, which will go right there. Okay, and then I'm going to put some windows together. So apparently I need 14 of these, so I'm going to bring my windows over here. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I need to put this right in here, like, come on, cooperate. Oh, of course. Just having all kinds of problems today, apparently. Going to keep dropping things until I get it right. There we go. There we go. That's better. Okay. Yeah, just like that. Okay. Like I said, I'll show you the details on this once I'm done with it. I just want to try to get it built. So I'm going to take 6 windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to take 5 windows and I'm going to put them together like this. 1, 3, 4, and 5.
What? I heard the deep space pilots talk about that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And I'm going to make sure these are sitting the right way because they have to go out. And like that. And I'm going to put this one here. I'm just going to keep doing that. So, 3, 4, 5. I'm actually going to put this, I'm going to move these over here. I'm going to put this here so you can see what I'm doing. So I put 5 windows together, just like that. And then I'm going to put, make sure they're facing the right way. So this little edge has to go towards the outside of the window. So you have to face them like that. So make sure this is outside of the window. And just put this right on here. Just like that. Like I said, I'll be tying this all together for you. So it looks kind of wonky right now, but don't worry about it. So we do 1. We'll just do this for the next few. 4. So this is going to be kind of a long video, which I really don't want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this one right here and place it, and then I'll do the other ones, and you'll see in the next video how it looks. Okay? That's all right with you. And I will see you in the